Alright, so you're pretty much just gonna want to download Firefox. In my opinion, that's gonna be the easiest way for you to be able to sort of get the video from YouTube to your computer, which is where you need it to be. So if you've got Firefox, you're just gonna go into add-ons, download this add-on, Easy YouTube Video Downloader 6.8. Then you're just gonna want to go over to YouTube. Once you're in YouTube, you're just gonna sort of want to find a video. So I don't know. Okay, I'll just use this one. This extension pretty much gives you this function in the YouTube window. So you're just gonna be able to click on the download. This will basically bring up a range of sort of formats and qualities you can download the video in, and I'd suggest against downloading in 720p just because if you make a GIF that exceeds, say, like 20 frames, or sometimes even less frames than that, it's going to be too big to upload. So you're just going to go ahead and download in 360p. I've already downloaded it, so it's here. You're just going to want to open up Photoshop. Doesn't matter what version, it's all the same shit. I'm using CS6 extended. Then you go File, Import, Video Frames to Layers. Click on your video, open. Now you want to click Selected Range Only, limit to every 3 frames. Basically, you're going to toggle these two sort of hands from where you want the GIF to start to where you want the GIF to end. Okay, so I've got 28 frames, and that's going to naturally be too big to sort of have. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit on the second frame, hit Control, and then I'm just going to select every second frame. And I'm just going to go ahead and click Delete. Yes. Now I'm going to click on the first frame, hit Shift, and hit on the last frame. I'm just going to click on 0.04 and change that to 0.1 and click Play. Okay, that seems a little too fast, so I'm just going to go 0.15. See how that's too slow. So this is the tricky part, finding sort of like a good speed, 0.12. Okay, so that's a good speed. So now this is sort of the critical step. You're just going to go Save for Web. And as you can see, this exceeds sort of the maximum file size for a GIF on Tumblr. So you basically have two options. You can just take the easy path and change that to 500, hit save, move that out of the way, and you can see that's gone from 1 point whatever it was to 662, which is definitely like not going to be too big. And you won't sort of have any quality loss at all because 500 is the max width you can have on Tumblr. Alternatively, you can just go click that, optimize to file size, and just change that to 1000K, which is 1 meg. But I mean, this takes 2 seconds, and it's just a lot easier. So once you do that, just click save. It's going to save that to your desktop or wherever else you have your shit saved to, and that is pretty much how you make a GIF.